Hello, and welcome to another update video on ADA. So I'm here on the weekly time frame, and the price is still trying to find a low here. We talked over the last few days about this point of control that we can see on the VRVP volume profile indicator. If I zoom in a little bit, it doesn't, now it shows here again. So it depends on the visible range, how we've zoomed in. But within this visible range on the weekly chart, here the area around 38 to 38.5 cents, that's the area. That's the area where we basically expect some support, and the price hit that level. But we simply haven't seen yet an upside reversal or an upside reversal confirmation or anything, right? So that's not clear yet. We see a small green candle, but unfortunately, small green candles are not enough to confirm reversals. So it's definitely the area that we're watching here for a potential bounce to start at least, but really way too early to even consider that wave B might have bottomed. I mean, don't get me wrong, this move to the downside has technically extended enough to consider it a three-wave move, technically enough to consider this a three-wave move, but I need a signal. I need some kind of an upside reversal shift, and a micro 5-wave move up would help with that. And if we get that, we can call it wave 1 of C. This is the weekly time frame. Of course, on the smaller time frame, we are tracking already the microstructures to see if they give us an indication. But I wanted to intentionally start here on the weekly time frame to show you, to show you clearly that just a small green candle and what we track on the 1 hour time frame, it's just not going to be enough to really confirm a reversal on the weekly chart, But still, this entire zone, it's more than the 38.5 cent level. It's actually going down. You see the spike on the VRVP indicator. It goes all the way down to round about 32 cents. So that is support all the way down to 32 cents here at the moment, So anyway, this is what we are tracking here. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame as well. The ADA short-term chart, and this is now interesting because what I pointed out yesterday and also earlier today in the member update is that this is the zone from where ideally we would get another high, because then we can call it a 5-wave move up. So we just need one more high, then I can call it 5 up. So far, let me shift that into position. So far, this is clearly just 3 waves up. I've got a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, A, B, C in wave 3. Is this wave 4? Maybe. And this could be wave 5. Or wave 4 is still extending. But I gotta say, this looks interesting and could indicate that the 4th wave already bottomed. So one more high is needed, then we call that 5 waves up. When you watch the video, maybe we've already seen the 5th wave form. And then, depending on how the structure develops, we can add the next support area. But so far, it's good to see that we have a small reaction to our micro support region. And the thing is, because this cannot be an impulse for various reasons, it can really only be considered to be a diagonal structure, this move up, And so, therefore, if the wave 4 bottomed here on Tuesday, the move up in wave 5 is an ABC structure. So I can add the microstructures for the blue count, A, B, C. But this is still way too early to even, let's say, confirm a reversal. But it's definitely getting a little bit more interesting now with that upside momentum that we see here. But overall, that's why we're tracking it, right? That's why we're tracking for a potential reversal. But on the weekly, it shows you that it doesn't mean so much yet. But that's why we do the work every single day on the 1 hour time frame to identify those patterns. And I don't see any signal of a breakdown yet, but I wouldn't trust this move either. So it's still important to be on the side of caution. But it's good to see that ADA has reacted to this support level. that I mentioned. So yeah, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our membership options. I wish you a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Before I forget, actually, we do have our Black Friday offer. So if you're interested in joining the MCO community, you can follow the link in the comment section. It's going to give you 20% off on our annual plans, on the annual membership. Especially the gold membership might be interesting, that most of you guys, most of you members have joined the gold membership. It's the membership that gives you access to Discord, a lot of additional updates, even some stock updates as a bonus. Gold and silver is included as a bonus. Lots of crypto updates, dozens of charts, live charts. You can access all my live charts. You can copy them into your own trading view, potentially, or use the view only function. You can ask questions on Discord. I try to answer during the day. You can access our weekly member live sessions, an Elliott Wave course. There is much more there. Check it out. Thanks so much. Wish you a great day. Bye-bye.